A 2024 BMW X5 wheel spacers good or bad?
Installing BMW X5 wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and the tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These BMW X5 wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. Their performance benefits to upgrading with BMW X5 wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension? The BMW X5 wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improved performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that their whole design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS BMW FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. It is important to note that while BMW wheel spacers offer these advantages, proper installation and appropriate sizing are crucial to ensure safety and optimal performance.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.